So with our vanilla chai latte, protein latte, we're going to put a scoop of protein in here. And we're going to sample this one too, no worries. So we'll probably make this one twice. We're going to use pre-made chai tea. Let me move these things out of the way. This one's decaf, so if anyone's worried about drinking a lot of caffeine this late, if you're someone sensitive to caffeine, this one's actually decaf. So we're going to do a half a cup of chai tea. We're going to eyeball this. All right, so this one we're going to use almond milk this time instead of oat milk. So we're going to give it about a half a cup of almond milk. You can substitute this for any kind of milk that you want. In fact, in each one of these recipes, if it uses oat milk and you don't like oat milk, not everyone likes oat milk, you can use almond milk. If you don't like almond milk, you can use regular milk. If you don't want to use whole milk, you can use low-fat milk. So these are really interchangeable. You kind of decide what works for you. I move back and forth on them. And I can be picky on some of my brands of oat milk. Some I like, some I don't like. So kind of play around with it and mix it the way you want to mix it. We're going to add another half cup here of almond milk and a little bit of ice in this one. You can actually use chai tea ice cubes in here. We're not going to tonight. But it actually, same concept as the coffee. If you use the coffee ice cubes, it doesn't dilute the coffee. Same thing here. If you use chai tea ice cubes, you're not going to dilute your tea. So.
I don't know.
So this is the vanilla chai protein latte. So we used the protein powder in it. We used almond milk. We used some chai tea, and then we add, you could add a little extra nutmeg to it. You could add some extra cardamom to it. We left those out tonight, but you can add those into, I actually think because we use this pre-made, it has a lot of spice to it. So those are all ready to go.
Okay.
All right, so here's our chai latte over ice.